Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is Antonio Pineda, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the throttle body. Alright, so first off, what we're going to start to do is we're going to identify if it's a pull-by-wire or pull-by-cable. As you can see right here, this is a pull-by-wire type. Alright, meaning we took the battery off, and we took this piece off right here to make sure that this isn't getting any type of power, because the last thing you want to do is clean this plate right here and have it shut on you and get your finger stuck. Alright, so in this case, what you're going to do, since it's a pull-by-wire, what you're going to do is you're going to take this cleaner right here and spray a rag and wipe around it, because you don't want to spray it in there, for instance. So once you do that, you're going to make sure you want to get all this gunk on the side and make sure that it's forming a good seal, because what it is cleaning the throttle body is to make sure that you get all that dirt or that gunk, because what it does is if it's dirty, it can keep this open, which causes more air to go in and high RPMs, and that's the last thing you want to do. Normally, when you do clean this off, we would take this whole piece off and just clean around it, like I said, making sure you get all that right there. Alright, so once you're done cleaning it and it's forming a seal like this, like it's supposed to, and it's not being held open like that, then it's good. Once you're done cleaning it, at that point, what you would do is you would take your parts and you'd put them right back, see? And then you go ahead and reattach this and put your battery back on. Alright? And that's pretty much how you would clean a throttle body. But also make sure when you are cleaning it, and I can't emphasize this enough, be very careful and do make sure that you take the power out to the pull-by-wire, and that is only for the pull-by-wire type. The pull-by-cable, you don't have to worry about that. Alright, thank you very much.